Alright, this is a room tour video of room 11236, and this is a junior suite, and this is on Allure of the Seas. Again, this is a junior suite 11236. You can see how nice and spacious this room is. It's really nice. Big king-size bed for us right now. We have a sofa and a nice chair table. And I'll take you out on the patio or the balcony, I mean, here in a little bit. Let's start here on our left-hand side. When we come into the room, we have a nice walk-in closet. You can see how big this is. There's lots of shelving, lots of hangers, lots of spacing, so you can really just unpack, put everything up, hang everything up, and just walk in here. It's nice. And a couple of the Royal Caribbean robes. We come out of here, and then back at the door, just to show you here back at the door, you can see, just want you to be able to see the muster station is deck 5 E4, and I can tell you that the E4, if you see right here, it's on the Royal Promenade. It's over by guest services, so that you can see everything there. It was real easy to do as soon as you walked in, because we walked in on the ship on deck 5 and we took care of it immediately we got on, so it was real quick to take care of. Now on this side, on the right hand side, as you walk in the room, you have your bathroom. You have the sink, nice sink, and the toilet. And you have a tub shower combination. So if we look here, you have the tub and shower combination. And you do have the sea salt and breeze, or I should say the salt and breeze amenities of the soap, shampoo, and conditioner. And you do have the tub. And it's a good sized bathroom for the room. And you have some shelving there that you can have to put your stuff. And just to point out also, there is a little bit of a lip. I'm going to show you here. There is a little bit of a lip as you step out. And just so you know, in the middle of the night, if you have to get up and use the restroom, there is another little lip to step up into the bathroom. And of course, it is a little bit of a step up into the tub. All right, but that is the bathroom. And again, looking as you come in the room, you have the closet on the left, the bathroom on the right. And in this particular room, it's set up with the bed on the right. We have 2 nightstands, one on each side. I do not see any plugs next to the nightstands. I do not see any plugs on the phone, any USB ports or anything like that. But you do have the 2 nightstands. And I'm assuming that this sofa, you know, I don't really know, but some sofas I know in the rooms are so this sofa could be a sleeper sofa and come out to sleep. And if that is the case, you do have a nice curtain here, can separate everyone, and it comes all the way the full length of the room. So that's something really nice if you have extra people staying here in the room. You can have a little bit of privacy. You have your lights. Here are the night lights for the here by your bed. And again, you have the sofa and the chair. Looking back again this way. Now up here for more shelving space. Up here on your left-hand side of the room, we have this first shelving space. You have a lot of shelving in here to put different items. You also have your safe. It's I wouldn't say a large safe, a little bit of a smaller type safe. You're not going to get any big laptop or even a big iPad, but you can keep your passports, your valuables in there. And you have this table area over here. Right now you're looking at the Lavazza coffee machine. We will probably move the Lavazza coffee machine off of this right here because we'd like to sit here. The ladies like to sit and put their makeup on, do different things. If you want to write or get your laptop out, sit and work, you do have right here your outlets. I'm sure that's why they have the Lavazza here, is because those are the outlets. You have different storage within the mirrors here. You have more storage right here. Just a lot of different places to put different things that you can just unpack. You have drawers here all the way up and down. The chair. More storage in the mirrors here too. I do want to point out, I think the hair dryer is here. So just in case anybody's wondering, for this particular room, it is a hair dryer that it looks okay. Looks like you do have to hold the button down the entire time while you're using it. But that is the hair dryer. And one thing that I do like is they do have the cooler. It's not a refrigerator, but just a cooler. So that works. As with in these rooms for Allure, they do have the old type of iPod charging station. Non-functional serving anymore. And then of course you have the TV. Another little table right here with a mirror. And actually that's probably where we're going to move the Lavazza over here. Out of the way. And then just to go out here on our balcony. It is a little loud at the moment. We are at Port Canaveral. That's where Allure is out of right now. So it's a little loud. We're on the terminal side right now. You see what a beautiful, beautiful day it is up here. As far as our patio, our balcony, as far as the balcony is concerned, you can see we have a large balcony here. You see how much room we have here. And we have 2 chairs and a large table. Lots of area to put. If you order room service, come out here and eat on your balcony. You can have room service or just bring your coffee out in the morning. And then we have 2 sun loungers. So we have lots of room. I'm going to come over here to this side so you can see all this. You can see how big this room really is. This is facing north towards the rear of the ship right here. And again, if we walk back over here, and We look back out the patio here, all this room, and again, you look back up this way, and you are looking at the front of the ship. And again, this is a junior suite. Room 11236 on Allure of the Seas. It's a wonderful room. Lots of space, lots of areas spread out, lots of storage. Everything looks to be in good working order. So it's a really nice room.